Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Sony XM6. And let's get started by using gestures. So touch area located at the right ear cup. Right here we have this circle. This is actually touch area. Now let me play some song. If you press 2 times at this touch area, you will play or pause the song. As you can see, I just paused the song. Now I'm just playing. To play next track, you need to press forward. Swipe forward. So in this position, it looks like I'm swapping to the right, but you will use it something. And this way, so it's like swipe forward. And I'm just swiping, and as you can see, we play next track. To play previous track, you need to swipe backward. In this position, it looks like I'm swiping to the left, and as you can see, it also works. Now, to increase the volume, you need to swipe up. And as you can see, at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower the volume, you need to swipe to the back. And as you can see, I just lower the volume. Also, if you press and hold at this area, you will call voice assistant. I have Apple device, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, so you will call Gemini. Now press and hold on it. Okay, I need to, I guess, put it on my head, and now I press and hold it again. Okay, so something happened with my headphones, and to call voice assistant we need to go to the application. So now scroll down, go to device settings and to the system at the middle top. And right here we have voice control, so we click at this settings icon and we need to make sure that we use voice assistant function. And then click done, because I don't know why it was turned on, but someone maybe turn off it. So I'm just pressing hold on it, and as you can see, my voice assistant is awake, so it worked. Also, we can we have a control here at the left ear cup. Right here we have ambient sound control button, and let me open the application. I will show it to you how it works. So right here we have it, and if I press 1 time on it, I will enable ANC firstly, but I need to put it on my head. And now I press on it, I just press on it, and as you can see, I enable it. If I press again on it, I will enable transparency mode. Here we go. And also with this button we can mute and unmute the microphone, but we need to enable it because by default is disabled. So scroll down and go to device settings. Now go to the system and scroll down again. Right here you need to locate enable the headphones microphone operation, and you need to click at this slider. So if this slider have empty background, it means that it's disabled, and you just press on it 1 time and you will enable, and it should have colorful background. And now during the call you can mute or unmute the microphone by press 2 times at this button. So as you can see right now we have a waves 1, 2, and now we just mute it, so we have no waves here, and we can unmute it by also press 2 times on it. And here we go, we just unmuted. Also you can set some function on this ambient sound control button. In the application you need to, from the main menu, go to device settings and then to the system, and right here we where it is, oh yeah, right here, sorry, we have quick access, so you just click at the settings icon and you can set some function for it. Let's say Spotify tab and Amazon Music. I set up it, but you can select also the sort option, And the last one, we have a power button. This control used to turn on and turn off these headphones. Now, some bonus for you is to how to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you can also make it using controls. So you need to press and hold power button and ambient sound control button for the same time for at least 10 seconds. And then you just reconnect your headphones, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.